Having trouble with Windows 11's in.sys driver error? This guide takes you through easy steps to resolve the problem and restore system functionality. Open the search menu and type regedit. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Approve the User Account Control (UAC) prompt by selecting Yes. In the Registry Editor, select File Export. Set the file name, for example, today's date. Choose Export Range, All, and save the backup in a convenient location. To restore, select File Import and navigate to the backup file. Expand the following folders in order: hkey_, local_, machine software. Microsoft Windows, current version policies. Click on the Attachments folder. On the right side, locate the value Scan with Antivirus. Double-click on it. Set the value data to 1. Click OK. Close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.